Hi kids, I'm Uncle Dave and today I'm doing a viewer request. This is Lil Bubby and I'm going to show you how to draw Lil Bubby. And usually I start off with circles, but this one I am going to start off with a square, actually a rectangle. So Lil Bubby kind of has this rectangle head, and he also has this really cool eye. You can go back and erase this later. And then another eye, and then of course a circle for his hair, or oval. His hair kind of goes down like this, and then he has a smile, and then he has a body, so we're going to go down. Another rectangle for the body, and then for the arm, I'm going to do a triangle inside a triangle, and then a circle for his hand. Then over here we're going to go like this, and then up, and then we'll do another circle, and then his legs come down, and circle, circle, and you can go back, and like I said before, you can erase this line, and then you go in and you can color him. So that's my Lil Bubby. This is by Sean Hall. Hi Sean. So let's see if you can draw Lil Bubby like this. So that's all for Uncle Dave's Tutorial Tuesday. Bye bye.